Hi everybody, my name is Cheryl and I'm from the Morinville Community Library. Today I want to introduce you to our puppet stage that we have here in the kids area. We have also brought back out all our puppets, so you can come in and do a puppet show for your mom and dad, or ask one of the librarians to watch. We love watching puppet shows. I'm going to show you some of the cool puppets we have here. Here is a little donkey, and you can play with the cow. I love this one personally. He's so cute. He's a little owl in his tree. Isn't he sweet? We also have puppets. And here's a train. And we have a plane. So there's lots of awesome puppets to play with. So drop on by to the Morinville Community Library and check out our puppets and all our other toys in the kids section. And we also have our Stories in a Bag kit ready for you to take out for 3 weeks. We have lots of different themes. Let's see what's in this one. This is the musical life of Gavesta Mole. And, oh, look, there's an awesome book that you can read with your parents. And with that book, there's a CD that you can listen to while you look at the book. We also have an instruction and some information about probably the musical instrument that he's going to be playing. And there's a fun little game to play with mom and dad or your siblings. And then finally, you have the puppet, the mole puppet. And there he is, and he's got his musical instrument. And you get to play while you read the book and listen to the story. Isn't that awesome? We have lots of different themes, so drop by the library. They're in the children's area, and you can take them out for 3 weeks. We also have our sensory toys out, ready to play with here in the children's area, and we'd love you to come and visit us. Thank you so much, and have an awesome day.